Hello and welcome to the BYU Law Library. We're so excited that you're going to join us this year. I wanted to take just a few minutes to highlight some of the great electronic resources and services that we have available to you through our webpage at lawlibrary.byu.edu. Let me first direct you to this red box where you'll find our COVID-19 information page with all the services and the access that we have during this COVID-19 time. This will be updated frequently. And if you have questions on services, you can come here to get the latest updates. Back on our main page, here in the middle, we have our search bar. This will give you access to our Law Library catalog as well as to other electronic resources and other things that you might be searching for in the Law Library. Here in the middle, we have the section with most of our electronic databases. We have a section of quick links here for things that are used most often. You have or will receive fairly shortly access to LexisNexis and Westlaw, the main legal research providers that we have access to here. Also here in the middle you'll see Hide Online. That's something you might use more in your second or third year, but a great electronic resource. Let me highlight here our study aids. We have this research guide that provides you access to our electronic as well as physical study aids. We've done a lot to try to collect several different types of study aids that might help you to supplement your study this year. Here in the middle we have links for our A to Z database links, which has all of our databases here, as well as research guides that has these databases organized by topic. You probably will use these more in your second and third year, but they are here and available to you if you're interested. Down here in the middle we have reserving a study room. You've probably seen our many study rooms throughout the library. This is where you would want to go to reserve a study room for 2 hours at a time. Here you can also get access to interlibrary loan, although this may be used more in your second and third years rather than your first year. And over here on the right is Ask a Librarian. We have many very qualified reference librarians that are here to help you, to help with any research questions that you have. We will not be providing in-person reference this year because of COVID-19, but through this link you can get access to chat, or to Zoom, or to email with a reference librarian, and we encourage you to do that. This is a great resource available to you. We have the library hours here. These are the summer hours that will be changing shortly. I also want to highlight here this button, the Legal Tech Initiative. We encourage you to go here and you'll be getting more information about this that has our offerings for our technology trainings and other things that we're doing to try to get you up to speed with legal technology. We appreciate our law librarian Tina Wilder that heads up this program, and we have made a lot of progress in the last couple of years to try to provide you some additional training so that you feel ready to go out and to practice. So take a look at the Tech Initiative page. Going back up to the top, I did want to highlight one thing in library services. There's a number of things under student resources. One thing most students are familiar with and want to be familiar with as it gets towards final time is our sample exam bank. So these are available here. So just to kind of keep in the back of your mind that we do have some sample exams available to you when that time comes. The last thing I'll just mention quickly is that we do have in this library news area a blog with research tips and other electronic databases and information. And we have a number of social media channels to kind of keep up to date with what's going on and some research tips as well. We just are so grateful that you're here, and we want to just help you to know that we're here for you. We have many, many resources that are available to you. We hope you'll take advantage of them and that they can help you throughout your time here at the law school.